6 questions you should ask yourself about your current kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's a place where families gather to create memories, enjoy meals, and spend time together. A lot of planning goes into the design and layout of a kitchen. Even if you're not planning a remodel, it's essential to ask yourself some questions to ensure your kitchen meets your needs. In this blog post, we'll cover 6 questions you should ask yourself about your current kitchen. Do you have enough counter space? One of the most important things to consider when it comes to your kitchen is counter space. If you're frequently cooking or baking, you need enough space to prep food. Consider adding an island or expanding your countertop space if your kitchen is lacking in this area. Is there enough storage space? Storage space is another critical thing to consider. If your kitchen feels cluttered and cramped, you may need to reevaluate your storage. Consider installing shelves, cabinets, and drawers. Utilize vertical space and consider adding a pantry if you have space. Is the flow of the kitchen functional? The flow of the kitchen is essential to consider when it comes to functionality. A well-designed kitchen minimizes the distance between appliances, sinks, and counter space. Make sure you have enough space to walk in and out of the kitchen comfortably. Is the lighting effective? Lighting plays a big role in creating a comfortable and functional kitchen. Insufficient lighting can be frustrating, especially when prepping food or washing dishes. Make sure you have enough light to spotlight areas like the sink and stove, and consider adding under cabinet lighting for extra visibility. Are your appliances serving your needs? Assess whether your kitchen appliances are working properly and serving their purpose. Are you using them all? Are they energy efficient? Are they the ideal size for your needs? Answering these questions can help you determine whether it's time to upgrade or replace appliances. Is the kitchen decor style pleasing to you? Finally, consider the decor style of your kitchen. Is it pleasing to you? Do you like the way it looks? If not, consider updating the countertop or backsplash, or getting new tiles, so you can enjoy being in your kitchen. Your kitchen is one of the most significant rooms in your home. It's essential to ask yourself the right questions to ensure it meets your needs. Whether your kitchen needs a remodel or a few updates, answering these 6 questions will help you identify what changes need to be made. With a few adjustments and upgrades, you can transform your current kitchen into one that is more functional, efficient, and enjoyable to be in. Thanks for watching.